Hello, thank you for watching today. My name is Ashley.Lundy here at Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Just want to show you real quick this newly acquired to us 2014 Tioga 25K floor plan. Actually quite spacious inside for how short it is. If we come inside here, nice wide entryway, and you can see we have your cab over bed here with their own TV. We have a nice wide booth here you can convert, and this one actually has a recliner in it. Nice plush recliner. It's got counter space, it has cabinets, all the basics you would need. It has a corner bed, but it's actually a nice rectangular shaped mattress, so you can use your normal sheets on this, no problem. All contained here. You can see the shower, actually good size again for such a short unit. And there's your sink and your vanity mirror and your wardrobe closet. And you can see our goodie box there. That's all the little goodies we got with it that we pass along to you. And back to your fridge. So this one has one slide here, so you have nice living room space, but you're not extending the length out. Real clean for 2014, real low miles. Good storage on the outside too. They were able to pack a lot into this one. My favorite is back here actually. This is the storage unit. So if you take a peek in here, really big storage area. You can even put stuff underneath there. So here's a great example of a nice short little unit that you can pack a lot into. Easy to take wherever you want. If you have any questions about it, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Again, my name is Ashley here at Guarantee RV in Junction City, and you can reach me directly at 541-337-2387. Thank you so much for watching.